Let us talk about the story of a woman from Brazil. This is the story of Andrielle, entitled A Light and a Voice. Andrielle was selling Christian books from house to house after the COVID restrictions were lifted in Brazil. When she saw a large mansion surrounded by a tall wall, she felt afraid and wanted to walk away. But she felt a strong impression in her heart to ring the gate's doorbell. "Lord, I will obey," she said. "I will ring 3 times, and if no one answers, I'll leave." At first and second rings, no one responded. But on the third, the door opened, and out came a short gray-haired woman named Heidi. Without hesitation, she opened the gate and said, "Come in." As they talked, Andrielle began sharing the story of salvation, from the fall of man to Christ coming to save humanity. "I want to meet you in heaven someday," she said. Heidi began to cry. "When you rang the doorbell, I didn't want to open the gate," she said. "But I saw a bright light surrounding you, and I heard a voice say, 'Let her in.' That's why I opened the gate." Heidi confessed that although she was wealthy, her life lacked peace and joy. She had tried to take her life 4 times, but her son always stopped her. Andrielle knew then that it was truly God who had sent her. "God wants you to know about the hope of salvation," she told her. From that day on, they became close friends. And it was then that Heidi experienced God's love and discovered the true meaning of life. Pray that many people in Brazil will prepare for Jesus' soon return through the 13th Sabbath offering, which will help build a church for the students at Pernambucano Adventist Academy, the place where Andrielle lives.